Well, because of Hurricane Harvey, Dell Children's Medical Center is handling an influx of patients from Corpus Christi.
They've helped transfer newborn babies into their intensive care unit. Fox 7's Ashley Paredez is in studio with how that process is going. Ashley.
Mike, Rebecca, it couldn't have gone any smoother. 7 beautiful babies were in Corpus yesterday and are now resting in Austin today.
The Ibanez family is counting their blessings.
Oh, this is Rebecca Puga.
They safely made it out of Corpus Christi ahead of Hurricane Harvey with their 1-week-old daughter, Rebecca.
She looks comfortable. She's been sleeping since we got in the room. So.
An ambulance drove around 200 miles to deliver 7 newborns to Dell Children's Medical Center in Austin.
We're happy. I mean, she made it fine, and they called us when she got here, so that was a relief.
But the past 24 hours haven't been easy. Not only did David Ibanez and his wife have to worry about securing their home for potential hurricane damage, their main concern was making sure their baby would be in good hands.
What road they're going to use, if they're going to be safe, if they're going to go fast, they're going to use their lights. So, you know, I can't tell them how to do their job, but I mean, as a parent, you're going to think, you know, what are they going to do if they're going to be safe?
Dell Children's knows it can be a stressful situation, which is why they work to minimize that. In preparation, they look up the medical history of each baby, make sure they have space for them, call in extra staff, and even provide care during transport.
We have a very experienced nurse and a therapist, and they're in constant contact with our NICU medical director. So if there's any instability or they feel, oh my God, I need to do a resuscitation or do something more, they call the NICU medical director who gives orders, and care is continued.
All 7 babies are doing well. Dr. Mina Iyer says their team will ensure they meet their needs. If the babies hadn't been transferred, we're told it could have been tragic.
These babies are very fragile. They're either born premature or they have a lot of medical needs, and that's why they are in a specialized setting like an ICU for babies. And if the child is not able to get that continued support, it can have a very deleterious and a disastrous effect on the babies.
The Ibanez family is praying for the hurricane to weaken. That way they can soon bring baby Rebecca home.
We have her home painted up, have her bed, her crib. As soon as they'll let us take her, we're ready.
Dell Children says they're prepared to handle more patients, and they're working with the Ronald McDonald House to accommodate the families.